Hello, good evening. It's 8:45 p.m. and today is 17th of March. Just started recording in the evening. Morning time nowadays I don't record because the first half, or you can say the most of the day, goes into work and thinking part, learning part, reading, understanding, talking, communication, and major parts is done in the daytime before 7. So it's not a planned thing which I do, but I think we are so processed because earlier I used to go for work, and that is how like our day goes. We rush to office, completing our housework, then completing office work, then the major part, the morning half has to be attended little bit faster, and then after 4 o'clock things start settling, and we go little slow, or we are relaxed after 4 p.m. So that is though those schedule has changed our life pattern. Yeah, that we are so set that majority things have been done in the first half, or before, like I said, 6 p.m. or 4 p.m. We are set to this, the timings of others, and we tune ourselves to that pattern, otherwise our things won't done. Ha, related to shopping, where we feel free, this is the reason that we can go even at night time, we can go and party even at night time, we can go and relax, have binge talk. That is our time, and that is why these things work, the things which work at night time, we get attached to it because the first half, you see, the pattern is so tedious, we are so stressed because of it, but later on we rush towards this life, which is the nighttime life, and we feel so relaxed. Now I don't have to go rush for anything, लेट हो जाएगा तो भी चलेगा. हम लोग रश क्यों करते ऑफिस? फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट अंगूठा दिखाना पड़ता है ना, द टाइम इन एंड टाइम आउट which has been like a part of life, like we had in school attendance, and now in office we have this, where life is taking us. We think about the upper thing, that we are pushed through a tunnel. Earlier the school, we had constraints, we were molded. The time in the school where we wanted to laugh but we couldn't laugh loud, we wanted to say something in urgency but we couldn't talk because the school period was going on, and we're not supposed to talk in the running class. What time we have only the recess, or after school. Again after school we have to rush to house, have food, or go for tuition, or there may be some other, or the other things related. This kid, when grows up, he has to rush to office. That life, when you think about, earlier I remember a joke that our first so many years we are related to so and so animal, then we start working, we are related to so and so animal, Once when we reach our retirement stage, we feel relaxed. Now things and responsibilities, the responsibilities were actually, now I feel it as burden. I'm going to retire from it, and that those years, those part of my life, of my retirement stage, now again I may have to be dependent because I'm not earning. I'm related to some animal. So if you remember a story or a joke, that human as an animal is an animal, though we call ourselves a superior animal, a superior being, having great brain, great memory. But now science is proving there are other animals who have great brain, great remembrance, great memory. Even the artwork they can do, other animals other than human being, if you understand what I started stating. But it's only those animals don't know the communication which we have, they don't have. We feel that is a right to diminish those animals from earth. We may follow rules or law. If there was no law, those animals won't have survived. So we need law to protect being animals from animals. So human as predators are accepted, but other animals, predators, bypassing humans, are not accepted. But somewhere people now think and they state, if we don't follow rules, if we are not limiting ourselves, if we don't be in our boundaries and we cross the boundary and go into their boundaries, they will also learn and reach to cross the boundary and prey on us. It's only that we know how to protect ourselves. We have majority, and we come as majority through our communication. Even if other animals, they form group, they can attack, prey on a group of humans, but they cannot plan to extinct, diminish humans from earth, because humans are dangerous to us. Do they know? No, they don't know. They don't understand because they are not going to school. We are going to school. We are learning about animals. We are learning about plants. We are learning about humans also. We are learning about behaviors. We are learning about patterns. Who is dependent on whom? Who are whom and what they eat? How much amount of food is good for health? How much calories required, nutrition required? We go to school and learn all this, and whole our life we are running just to have food, to earn money and save again to have food. And we may be eating, hunting the other animals for which our education is not required. But Money is required, that is why we are learning, we are studying. So we think, are we educating ourselves to grow ourselves, improve ourselves, or we want money to earn living, have food, good life, finally be uneducated when we are not doing the monotonous thing, end of the day, some or the other bad habit, or some or the other slang words, or some of the other random talks, gossips. That time we are not educated, we don't think about our degree end of the day, or when we are tired, or you can think about more positive things, that the whole responsibility we get rid of, and in the night time we are some different person, we want to be like some star, a celebrity, just dance like nobody is watching you. That is what we are want. Otherwise whole day we wanted attention, but night time we don't want any attention, we want to walk, silently on the road, have fun, or just simply relax and feel the breeze. How your mood is, what amount of things you want to get rid of. Someday you're so relaxed, so you want something, so you dance. Someday you're so tired that you want to relax and have peace through music, or near a beach, feel the breeze, or just the coldness of the night time, walking through a lane. Why again I say wind, breeze, there's so much in it. It gives us so much of relaxation. In summer you can feel the importance. When you're stressed, you can feel the importance of breeze. Why we want to stay so near to nature? Why we are building buildings near rivers, beaches? Want to stay so close. But if our work is demanding elsewhere, but we make sure that we go and have the peaceful life in the nature, between the nature, in a year, for few days, then we cut off, we say we cut off. That time we have to say, because it shows your stress, your attachment. Then the people use the word cut off. ये नहीं चलेगा, वो नहीं चलेगा, फ़ोन बंद रहेगा, ये नहीं चलता है, वो नहीं, नेटवर्क नहीं रहता है. So we are in somewhere inside the forest, relaxing. So this is what my video is about. Our life is what? What is life? What people understand other than, or whatever other people said. Just think and take your example and think what life is for you. Don't check quotes of others. They may have stories to tell because they know stories. They might have stories, they have gone through that path. But when we fall for big words, big versions, big communications, but stop it now. The question is, what is life for you? When you think about you, as yourself if you don't have a name. अपने नाम के बिना हम क्या है? मेरे एक पोजीशन के बिना मैं क्या हूँ? मेरी लाइफ मेरे लिए क्या है, ये मुझे बताना है. उसके बाद why life is important. Life is beautiful, I have heard, and that quote struck me very much. I liked it very much. But I was always wondering how life is beautiful. How can we relate? Because earlier when we used to think about beautiful, when you say something has colors to show you, has pictures to show you, has feelings to show you, has that glow to show you, has the sense to show you. Nature is beautiful. Human say to each other that you are beautiful. What we talk about that time, but that is the other story. But now, how life is beautiful can be related. When somebody wrote about this quote, it's right, and I was very happy with the thinking of the writer. Life is beautiful. I used to wonder why I never thought of these words, why I don't use contrast words. Can we use opposite words? यहाँ का वहाँ. The ad recently I saw, in which the doctor is saying, don't ask about how much protein you need to have, just say how much protein mileage is there. I mean, how much mileage the protein will give you. You know, the contrast, the cross connection. Mileage, I never thought of. प्रोटीन से कितना माइलेज मिलेगा? मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अस एज अ कार, ह्यूमन बीइंग, a system, as a machine, which somewhere we have already related. So why we won't say the intake what we are having, how much mileage it is giving us? See the creativity in the ad. We think only so much because we are reading so much, but there are people who are going, and how far they are going to use contrast in their life. I think I always use brightness much than the contrast. But when such words cross and comes and get connected, it makes wonders and let me think and make me think. Why I never thought of such thing? Why is it that I feel, yeah, this is so right, but why I don't think about such words? Why such words don't come inside? So today I got to know one great word. Things which I know, which I understand correctly, which I speak correctly, is under one list, is okay. That is like in front and not that much mucked up, but it's coming and I'm speaking. But things which is away from me, what things are away from me? In such a way it's away from me that there the distance, like the error, I have the other list. That means I will cut that statement, because when I said it's away from me, but I'm getting hint that is attached to me, that it's really time, and it may take time to keep such things away. The errors we make, the flaw in speech, the things we try to understand, but till end of the day, even after struggling, we don't understand. Hard work we put, but the output is called as labor, that we worked as a labor even while studying. Then why people say act smart, work smart, but I was the otherwise. So these are the list that shows the errors that has to be stored into some other storage to know, oh, so and so is my flaw, things which I tried but I couldn't gain, things which I worked so hard on, but the words are so opposite. The error word is so opposite. The labor work is so opposite. People may call me donkey, relate to some animal. It's so contrast for my state that I question, is this list part of my life? But this is not beautiful. How can I make it beautiful? Then why I am telling people life is beautiful? Why I don't simply say? But we get answers that we have to search for happiness. We have to search for positivity. Be good even to bad people. This is what we have learnt. We have always learnt good things through books, through people, through our family, friends, our group, and till our reaches, whatever it reaches, till our God, they have always taught us, be good, be honest, be loyal. But the question is, are all the teachings correct if the things are diverse in this universe, or opposite when I step out from the golden world to the copper world, and now is the iron world, या मिट्टी की दुनिया कह दो, तत्व सब खत्म हो गए हैं, मिट्टी की दुनिया यानी सबके तत्व खत्म हो चुके हैं। इतना अच्छे रहने के बाद भी सारे पुण्य कहाँ चले गए धरती से? क्या हम इतना खत्म कर रहे हैं चीज़ें? ब्यूटी हैज़ गॉन। Am I responsible for loss of my beauty? I was irresponsible that I lost my beauty. So I will say no. This was done. And there are many answers to the problems. And the question today is, what life is for you? So you give the answer. And we all have problems. I have problems, you all have problems. Do speak about the problems you have. Do you have any other solution for it? Do speak about it. If you don't have solution, say that you don't have any solution how to come about you will see that very soon the problems will be solved in answers. Now let me tell you, God answer prayers means when you pray to God, you will get an answer. Hope I am clear. That means you will have the answer for it. The answer will be solution for you. And this is not something I am speaking something different. We have always heard about people stating that God answer our prayers, but he also sees how much sufficient you get. There is always but in the answer, because what we are asking, what we are requesting, what we are demanding is always considered. And why not all things you get? Because maybe it may be like we may be requesting something, such things which needs uh, things need to be purchased, things needs money, things need cash. So you think that God will send you money in your bank, or he will do abracadabra and you will get so much of bank account, I mean so much of money in your bank account, suddenly you will be rich. So there is something talking about never happened. Miracles are different. It work for our life to progress, to come out of darkness, to be happy, to have peace. But to talk about money, we have to work hard on it. How can we request money from God? Till now I have not requested. That I want to be billionaire. चलो मैंने ये भी कह दिया. सो क्या कोई ऐसा प्रे करते हैं कि भगवान मुझे बिलियनर बना दो? भगवान सुनते हैं क्या? अगर किसी ने ऐसा प्रे भी किया होगा तो बताना, वो कहाँ तक पहुँचे वो भी बता देना. मतलब एक समय ऐसा था ना, मैं भी सोचती थी कि मेरा लॉटरी लग जाएगा और मैं लखोपति बन जाऊंगी, लेकिन लखपति तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, लॉटरी कभी लगी ही नहीं. और मैंने सुना उसमें से भी गवर्नमेंट ले लेते हैं. मतलब जहाँ भी जाओ अर्न करो उसमें गवर्नमेंट ले लेती है. अरे अगर कल को मुझे ट्रेजर मिलेगा तो मैंने सुना है वो भी गवर्नमेंट का होगा. यानी कि गवर्नमेंट को सब बैठे बिठाए आराम से मिल जाते हो, और मैं अपने नसीब पे ढूंढ रही कि मुझे कब मिलेगा. मैं मेहनत कर रही हूँ उसके पीछे. तो I think this is enough. 29 minutes already done. So with this I end this video and hope to talk more about many things to solve problems. So do write about the questions or the answers or the problems With this, I end this video.